நீ இல்லாத நாளெல்லாம் நாளாகுமா? நீ இல்லாத வாழ்வெல்லாம் வாழ்வாகுமா?
Book of Jude chapter 1 verse 11. Oh, to them they have taken the way of Cain. They have rushed for profit into Balaam's error. They have been destroyed in Korah's rebellion. They have taken the way of Cain and have been destroyed. Cain was destroyed means that he became a child of Satan. The reason for that was anger. In anger, Cain murdered his brother Abel. About the quick temper that resided within Cain, the Lord said, if you are filled with anger, jealousy and hatred, murder is crouching at your door. That was a warning for him. What happens is that anger is transitioned into annoyance and then later into hatred. Hatred urged to kill his own brother. The Lord knows that it is a process to grow into this stage. By knowing it all, Christ our Master says beautifully. Please read Matthew chapter 5 verses 20 to 22. For I tell you that unless your righteousness surpasses that of the Pharisees and the teachers of the law, you will certainly not enter the kingdom of heaven. You have heard that it was said to the people long ago, you shall not murder, and anyone who murders will be subject to judgment. But I tell you that anyone who is angry with a brother or sister will be subject to judgment. Again, anyone who says to a brother or sister, Raka, is answerable to the court. And anyone who says, you fool, will be in danger of the fire of hell. If a person calls his brother fool, then he belongs to hell. The reason for God to say so is that the path to hell begins right there. Therefore, how does a man commit murder? It begins with anger. And that anger is created by speech. Words such as fool is the starting point of rage. Hence, the Lord specifies that initial point and asks to cast it away. Children of God, let us be very careful about anger. Today we must offer a prayer. In many places, because of rage, there are lots of problems, separations, and loss. We must pray for the Lord to pick out the spirit of anger from us and grant us the spirit of forbearance. It is an anger that we tend to speak impatiently and cause harm. Let the Lord liberate us from anger and similar behaviors and give unto us the spirit of tolerance. Children of God, when you do this prayer at the divine presence of the Lord, then fruits of the Spirit, fruits of love shall be formed within us. To be such spiritually sound believers, to be such a family, the Lord will help us. Hallelujah. God bless you.